Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm your presenter Dr. Sananur Rahman, and today we are talking about the development of the urinary system. This topic has been divided into 5 sections. In the first section, we'll talk about the evolutionary history of kidney development. Mind you, this goes from fishes to the adult humans in the sense that we will see the embryological origins of kidneys in the lower animals, and then we'll see the embryological origins of the kidneys in the upper, higher order animals, that is the vertebrates. In the second section, we'll be talking about the development of the kidney. In this, we'll see the development of the collecting system, the development of the excretory system, and other developmental events that are important in the formation of the adult kidney. In the third section, we'll be talking about the clinical correlates of the developmental kidney, that is what happens if these developmental events do not go as planned, and various anomalies may occur which will be taken up in detail. Next, in the fourth section, we'll have the development of ureter. We'll see how the conducting system of the kidney is formed, how the ureters are made up, how the ureters are formed, and how they connect the kidney to the bladder. In the final section, we'll talk about the urinary bladder, how it is formed, what is its function, what is its adult position, how it is innervated, and finally, the developmental anomalies that may occur if the urinary bladder is not formed properly. I hope you're excited about today's lecture. Keep watching sqadia.com.